Hello YouTubers, how are we today? Hope you're all well. Start of another exciting day for me on the late shift. I managed to have a bit of a lie-in this morning and I needed it because I may have overdone things slightly yesterday. I've got a twingy back somehow. Feels like I've been punched in the kidneys. Cyclist riding down the middle of the road. He ain't going to win the Tour de France at that rate, is he? I'm glad it stopped raining. It's been pissing down all morning. And look at it now! It's cracking. Right, we'll go the back way today. Got past him, I could see he was going to ruin my day. So what's been annoying me today? The postman. Postman comes about 11:30 in the morning. First thing he does, props his pissing push bike up against the front of my house. And I can't prove it, but I'm sure it's him that's damaged the guttering that runs down the front. Because he parks his bike in the same place every day. But the thing that's really annoying me this week is junk mail. It's sort of, I noticed a sort of a decline in junk mail up until recently, because obviously everyone just, it's cheaper to send emails and actually get stuff printed. Still get your email can be cluttered up with junk most of the day. Cluttered up with junk most of the time. But today, I think was an all-time record. Because I had 2 actual pieces of mail. One was some spare batteries from my camera. And the other pile of crap that the postman put through my letterbox, which actually sounded like he was trying to rip the letterbox off at the start. I was upstairs, heard all this banging and crashing, and it's him trying to stuff all this junk mail through, because I take it they get paid, Royal Mail get paid to deliver leaflets and stuff like everyone else. And I had 34 individual different pieces of junk mail with 2 actual pieces of mail. And yesterday I had about 7 or 8 women pieces of shit. And what's the first thing you think? Oh nice, single brake light, no rear brake lights. Yeah, so what's the first thing you do with all the junk? You just chuck it in the trash and it ends up in a landfill. Or if you're really being pedantic about it, you put it in your recycling. Not the point. But my parents, because they live up in old lady land with lots of sort of retired people and stuff live up there. They have all these stickers handed out to them by the like the council and the community police and stuff, wouldn't it, round him? Yes. Saying, you know, sort of saying we don't want junk mail and no cold calling and all that sort of stuff. And they still get them. So I don't know, you know, I don't know whether I'll have to have a look. There's probably some website you can go on and manage to opt out of it yourself. But it's like everything else. When Royal Mail sell your details, your address and your name and anything else that you can buy on the electoral roll, your basic information, they sell it to other companies to make money. And you can't blame them, I suppose, because, you know, if they'll make money out of doing it, fair play to them. But this is me right off. Hello, doggy. Bit of a chocolate labradoodle. Yeah, wait there. You ugly Mercedes. What are you doing, mate? Oh, for fuck's sake. You're going to be popular. Always forget about that bump there. Where are you going? Fucking hell, Grandad. I'm waiting here for eternity. Come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, for fuck's sake. Go. Oh, Mr. Gear there. People paying too much money to play golf. But you get to drive a little electric car around, don't you? Make you feel really important. I don't even think that this is, you know, just like, why? People that have remote control electric golf carts. Petrol breakdown. Yeah, so they're walking around with their golf bag on a trolley, controlling it by remote control, and it's literally in 3 inches in front of them. Indicating? No, not bothering? No? Okay. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Give a nod. Got a nod. Older guy. Oh, Jesus, it's like rush hour. Oh, bored now. Well, shitty sweetie there. It's been all 6 inches long. Yeah, get over a bit then. Plenty of room for us both. But he was in his X5 and he owns the road. Right, that's me for another trip. Enjoy the rest of the day, whatever you're doing, because I bloody won't be, and I'll catch you another time.